Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add phone number into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icons into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into there you just simply have to select your profile. And now after selecting your profile, just simply go over the security option. Now after going into the security option, you just simply have to scroll down and you will get to see this option of mobile number. Tap into mobile number, and after that you just simply have to select your country code at very first and enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, you will get the option to send the code into your mobile number. Just simply enter the code that you get into your mobile number and tap to submit button. Then if you enter the right code, your mobile number will successfully be binded or added with your Bitget account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.